Last year, you promised that 2024 would be the year you climbed to the top of the academic mountain. You said you'd reach new heights, make yourself proud, make your family proud, maybe even get into that dream university or land those high-paying internships. But here you are, standing at the bottom, having failed yet again at your own promise. You've let yourself down. And now it feels like you don't even care anymore. The pressure, the disappointment, the stress, it's all too much and the motivation just isn't there. But what if I told you it's not too late? What if the biggest comeback of your life is just waiting for you in 2025? Well, I'm here to help you take that first step, and I'm not just talking about 5 or 6 tips. I'm about to share with you 11 super effective tips to claim your long-deserved throne. Yes, 11 powerful strategies that will set you on the path to academic success like never before. Ready to reclaim your future? Let's dive in. Know your syllabus. Your syllabus is your roadmap for the entire year. It's more than just a list of topics. It's your secret weapon. By understanding what's coming up, you can plan ahead, focus on what matters most, and avoid those last-minute cramps. Here's the kicker. When you know your syllabus, you're in control. The grade points, the most challenging topics, the assignments, all of it's in there. So, better grab your syllabus, study it, and get ready to tackle the year like a pro. After you have your syllabus, it's time for the next step. Use the Eisenhower matrix. Now that you've got your syllabus, it's time to organize. Use the Eisenhower matrix to sort your subjects into 4 categories: difficult and long. These are the tough subjects that take a lot of time. Tackle these first, while your energy is high. Difficult but short. Quick but challenging topics. Get these out of the way next. Easy and long. These are easier but take up a lot of time. Plan them into your schedule when you've got extra time. Easy and short. These are your quick wins, perfect for when you need a little break or a boost of confidence. Now that you've sorted your syllabus, it's time to create a daily routine. Personally, I use a calendar to set my daily goals, knowing exactly which books to read and how many pages to get through. This way, I avoid cramming and stay on track. Break your syllabus into manageable chunks. For example, if you have 30 days left and 10 chapters to read, that's 1 chapter for 3 days. Be specific, set a page goal for each day, like 20 or 30 pages. It's all about consistency. By sticking to this, you'll finish your syllabus ahead of time and have plenty of time left for review. It's the best way to stay stress-free and prepared. Now that you have your plan ready, stick to it. Don't put things off until tomorrow. Procrastination only makes things harder in the long run. Tackle tasks as they come, even if it's just a small step each day. Breaking big tasks into smaller chunks helps you stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. The key is consistency. The more you stay on top of things, the less stress you'll feel. Remember, a little effort every day leads to big results. Some days you're just not feeling it, right? But here's a simple trick I use to stay consistent. The chain effect. I mark off each day I complete a task. The longer the streak, the harder it is to break it. It's all about that visual motivation. You see the progress and you don't want to lose it. Try it next time you're struggling. Keep the chain going. Your environment can make or break your focus. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. So here's a quick tip. Organize your study area. Clear the clutter, keep essentials within reach, and make your workspace comfortable. A clean, organized environment helps you stay focused and productive. Create a space that helps you focus, and watch how your productivity skyrockets. When you're stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help. Teachers or seniors are there to guide you. Whether it's a tricky subject or a tough project, asking questions clears up confusion and keeps you on track. Don't be afraid to reach out. It's not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of wanting to improve. Staying accountable is key to consistency. Whether it's with a friend, a mentor, or even yourself, track your progress. Tell someone about your goals or set reminders. When you have someone to check in with, you're more likely to stay on track and keep pushing forward. Accountability keeps you motivated and ensures you don't slack off. Keep yourself in check, and the results will follow. Remember, 80% of the results come from 20% of the topics. So listen carefully to your professors and teachers. They often highlight the most important concepts. Another tip, do your previous year's questions. They give you a glimpse of what's most likely to appear on exams and help you focus on the right topics. Focus on these key areas, and you'll tackle the hardest parts with confidence. Don't be too harsh on yourself, you're only human. If you miss a day or fall behind, don't beat yourself up. Instead, encourage yourself, reset, and get ready for the next day. It's also important to spend quality time with friends and family. They can give you advice, support, and a fresh perspective when you're feeling stuck. Balance is key. Take care of yourself, and let the support of loved ones keep you motivated. Staying healthy and fit is crucial for maintaining focus and energy. A healthy body leads to a sharp mind, so make time for exercise, even if it's just a quick walk or stretch. Nutrition matters too. Fuel your body with the right foods to stay energized throughout the day. Remember, a healthy routine supports everything else. Take care of your body, and it'll take care of you. And that's it for today's tips. Remember, consistency is about small, smart choices every day. Keep implementing these strategies, and you'll see big results over time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Stay focused, stay healthy, and keep pushing forward. See you in the next video.